over here back home in Kissimmee, Florida, where the rodeo is huge. Now we decided to take the bull from the bar over to the pool. Here we have the wonderful Inflatabull, right? It says challenge yourself to a water rodeo, and that's exactly what we're about to do. What is this? 9 and up, so I think I qualify. Here we go. There's some warning labels in here. Alright, he folds on out. Okay, I'm gonna grab a bike pump. Because that's all we have right here. Alright, so when you're blowing up this thing, couldn't figure it out at first, but what you have to do is just pinch it so that there's a little hole, and then you can just, if you're using one of these fixins, just stuff it right in that section and start pumping. This might take a while. Alright, back here 4 hours later. The bike pump really didn't work out, so we have to go with a powered inflator. We also had a little incident with a frog back there. Check that out, you can't miss that.
The Barracuda tank thing wasn't moving, so I got it out and I spun the thing around and I put my fingers in there and I pulled out the skeleton of a leaf.
Gross, don't put it on me.
Does. Oh my God, I see the eyeballs.
Alright, now we're going to go ahead and stick the inflator right in the bung of the bull. See if he works. Alright, so I think we set the record for the longest unboxing ever. First we got the bike pump, and then we have the compressor, and then we moved on to going to the neighbor's house and grabbing this blower. We get it all here, prime it up, try to start it, and there's no gas, like 0 gas. Luckily, the bottom ring has a big valve, like a tube, so I could just take the whole entire thing off. Alright, let's see if this works. Alright, to recap, if you buy an Inflatabull, make sure you don't have a bike pump, you're not going to use your mouth, don't use a compressor, go straight for a blower or a shop vac and you'll have this sucker blown up in no time. Now since we worked for like 4 hours on this thing, I'm going to have to try it out. So it's cold in the water, but I don't care, I'm taking off my socks and I'm riding the bull, baby. Alright, let's get ready for a one-man rodeo. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Ride him, cowboy! Woo! Hey, 8 seconds. That's all I need, 8 seconds. Out.